The term project is due on the 22nd, so it should be transferred to the web. Everything should work. It should be error-free. It should be linked into your assignment page. Make sure you go into the discussion forum, post a link to your gaming interface, and also add the video showing you demo that game site and showing you going through your PowerPoint. If you are in the live stream class on the 22nd, you will be doing the demo and the slideshow during class, and I will videotape it for you. I will then add it to your discussion posting. If you don't attend the live stream class, then you will have to do the video yourself. And then you guys will have a week to review the different games. I'd actually like you to play the games. And then you will be replying to at least 5. And you're going to review one of the games. So indicate what game it is and, what you liked about the game. And if you have any ideas for maybe a version 2, any kind of improvements they could make. So that is what you're going to be working on this week. And we have looked at examples. We've looked at my gaming site. As far as the instructions go, we have looked at them already, but just in case you missed this in previous videos, you will have a final project folder. In that, you will have a page with links to your games. Each game is going to have their own little interface page. CSS, media, and JavaScript are going to have their own folders. And for the README text file, you can either do one file that has all of the information in it, or if you want to do separate files for each game, that is fine. Okay. Somewhere on the game page, they should be able to get a summary of directions so they know how to play. Okay. And as far as the technologies, you have to have one game done in HTML5 Canvas and JavaScript. You have to have one jQuery game. And the third game is a technology of your choice. So it can be HTML5 CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, or any combination of those. Okay, and so this is pretty self-explanatory. All of your graphics for all the games, any of the games should go into a media folder. If you have sound files, they should also go into the media folder. Your CSS should go in the CSS folder. JavaScript and jQuery code should go into a JS folder. So that is pretty self-explanatory. If you do have any questions, please ask, and I will clarify for you. Here's the Dropbox that you need to go into and enter done when your project is ready for grading. The showcase instructions, which we have looked at before, are here as well. And so you should already have a PowerPoint slideshow. So you're just going to basically add on. So the last slideshow you did, your second game was in progress. So you will complete the slides for that second game, indicating whether you ran into issues, how you resolved them, any plans that you have for future releases. You'll do the same thing for the third game. And then finally, you will describe what you learned in this project. And once you've got the slideshow done, you can demo your site and run through the slideshow. As far as when things are due, you need to have a link to your game interface and your video posted to the discussion by the 22nd. And then you have a week to review your classmates' games. And you really only have to review one of the 3 games. And what I want you to do is post a reply indicate what game you are reviewing, what you liked about the game, and any suggestions you have for improvements in future releases. Okay, and those peer reviews are due on the 29th. If you have any questions at all, or if you run into problems, please let me know. Once you're done with all of this, you definitely need to start studying for the JavaScript exam. And the next block covers, or 2 blocks cover what you need to study. So that information is in upcoming videos.